on behalf of the collective ADOA CEC, Central Executive Committee. At first, I want to tell that in our conference, our president says that we have it in a democratic manner, and 76 participants totally. They are taking part in our discussion, and with thorough discussion, international, national, the state politics, we are taking the ongoing mode of our struggles. क्योंकि हम लोग ये समझते हैं, जब हम लोग का 14th नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में we have our slogans that oppose imperialism, combat Manovat, and uphold women's rights. Yes, this is the central call of our conference also. You see, international arena, there is a growing attack, there is aggressive attack of imperialism. And in the national arena, we write down our slogans that combat Manovat, because we see the corporate communal nexus in our state, in our country, BJP RSS government, they're always trying to, ये जो अधिकार है, हम लोगों का जो अधिकार है, हम लोगों का जो हक है, जो गरीबों का, दलित, आदिवासी, मार्जिनल सेक्शन का जो मांग है, इसको तो वही कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देना चाहते हैं. वो तो एकदम अदानी अंबानी का गवर्नमेंट है. और हम लोग का लड़ाई वुमेन्स को सिक्योर करने के लिए, वुमेन को सेफगार्ड करने के लिए, और हम लोग जब ये करते हैं, when we are doing this type of job, this type of struggles also, never we have noticed any political color, because we are the victim of violence, we are the victim of any torture. They are women. We are always trying to uphold the women rights, and so we want to give a call. We has also given the call to our unit committee to take a part in 12th February national strike. You know, the labor code, the ongoing torture, working class, and in the working class, there are also poorest of the poor are the women. So, this is our struggle, and so he has given the call that every unit, they will take part in 12th February national strike to dismantle the labor code that is against working class, against worker. And we have the issue of MFI. My MD is here, Srimati is here, and Tapashidi Archana Malli Lakshmi, she is the Secretary of Telangana. She is also here. We had a great survey on the MFI, and we had noticed that the poorer section of the women, marginalized section of the women, they are very much harassed by the microfinance loan, because the banks are not willing to give loan them also in this time, because in this time of the BJP RSS government, BJP RSS led government, we have seen that banks always gives loan to the billionaire, millionaire, and then that is bad loan, and they never get return from that loan. Yeah, this is the picture of our country. So half of the population होने के नाते हम लोग ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ये जो हम लोग का लड़ाई है, हम लोग का जो दूसरा है, वो देना पड़ेगा. और ये हम लोग तैयार भी कर लिए हैं कि संघर्ष है एक ही रास्ता जो हम लोगों का ये मांग दे ना सकते, और नहीं देगा तो छीन लेना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग तैयार भी है इसके लिए. सो अपहोल्ड वुमेन राइट्स, महिलाओं को मर्यादा के लिए, महिलाओं को अधिकारों के लिए हम लोग का मनरेगा को लिए ये एकदम बदल कर देना चाहते हैं। ग्राम जी जी राम जी, लेकिन ये तो हम लोगों का हक है। ये बहुत लड़ाई का बाद फर्स्ट जो यूपीए गवर्नमेंट है, लोग भी थे, सपोर्ट करते थे, उस टाइम ये हुआ और आज उसको चेंज कर देना चाहते हैं। लेकिन हम लोग छोड़ेंगे नहीं, हम लोग लड़ेंगे, आंख में आंख डालकर हम लड़ेंगे। लेकिन ये हम लोग का जो मांग है, क्योंकि मनरेगा में मैक्सिमम आर द वीमेन, एंड ये हम लोगों का मांग है, उनको जो वेज है उसका भी बढ़ाना चाहिए। ये सब लेके हम लोग का संघर्ष जारी रहेगा। और ये सब all this we have discussed in our conference, and we want to take this issue on the street, and we are fighting, and we will fight against this corporate communal nexus government and Maniradi ideology also.